This is a big piece of stainless steel. We had to cut it with the plasma cutter. It's going to be the door side of the fireplace. We got to cut a hole in it to make the door, obviously, but we got to drill the holes and make it fit first before we can put the door on, make the door. And right now I'm laying out all the holes because this was a used piece of stainless steel and it already had some holes around the edges, and that's what I'm doing, making the holes. Set up all the holes so it looks halfway decent.
How many holes do you need?
Quite a few.
So this is gonna be the one side of the fireplace, right?
This is going to be the side of the fireplace where the door will be. We're going to cut a door out of this. And it'll open and close to feed the wood in, put the wood in.
So how big is the door going to be?
I'm not really sure. We're going to see what type of glass we can get, how big of a piece of glass. And because we have to get special glass, which is called ceramic glass, which is high temperature. We use it on ovens and other types of stoves. And we have to just figure out, after we get this installed, about how much height we need. And the door is probably going to be about 18 inches tall and probably about 24 inches wide, maybe a little bigger. But we're not sure until we get it installed first. So, with no further ado, it's really cold outside here. And we got to worry about getting the drill and all that out later, so we'll do that later.
So you won't be able to work on this for the next 3 days?
No, I didn't say that. I'll work on it. I just need to get the cutting done so I can drill all the holes and get everything else. I'm going to have a video where we're going to show how we're going to put the whole thing together.
Well, why won't you be able to, oh, here, we have two. We have one door, and what's that?
That's extra.
Extra? You might need extra? Okay.
Well, in case we make a mistake, we always got something to make a door out of.
So you won't be able to cut for the next 3 days when it gets really cold,
if it's
right?
below freezing, it really gets bad. Well, that piece is 16 and a half. Yeah, 16 and a half might be about right, but we'll have to see what we can do. We're gonna measure and figure it out. We're gonna make some inner stops for it so when the door closes, it seals up almost 99%, so we don't let any suck any air in from the room.
Well, we need one more sheet for the other side of the
This other
fireplace.
side's already done.
It's already done?
Already done, drilled, ready to go back in.
Okay, but it's not put on there yet. It has to get
No,
put
we'll
on.
put all that together when we get there.
Okay.
We'll show that when we go in the house later, when we show you what we started with and all the other stuff. Let's
Okay.
show everybody what the fireplace looked like when we started with big open sides and nowhere for nothing to go anywhere. So, okay?
Okay.
So
Sounds good.
we can make some more video a little later and see what happens.
Sounds good. I guess we'll keep you posted. Thank you very much.